welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to automate bill payments or reminders using banking apps. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to automate bill payments or reminders, you need to simply log into your bank's mobile app or website and navigate to the bill pay section. So as this is a very personal data on your banking account, you can simply not record it on an Android device, so it will be all blank. So I'm going to teach you how you can do it from methods only. So once you're in your banking device, you can simply go to the bill pay section and then add pay by entering their account details. Once you have done this, you need to now simply add new pay by inputting the information and select the option to schedule payments. Once everything is done, enter the payment amount and select the date. Now choose to set up one-time or recurring payments, example monthly, bi-weekly, for automatic disbursement on your chosen schedule. After this, you can also add alerts or reminders and review all the details for accuracy and confirm the setup. So this is how you can automate bill payments or reminders using banking apps. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.